This short clip is from my live trading room. You can engage directly with my fabulous team and me at LaDucTrading.com for all our research and trades. Or for just my daily live streams, you can access via YouTube memberships. All links are in the description. Netflix did awesome yesterday. Like, oh my God, it was so strong. It held above that 77.30, which was monthly support, and a Morningstar reversal is what I spied. We did have follow through. You can see it. That was Tuesday, the green shoots. We had follow through on Wednesday, and it perfectly hit 82.78, which was the price target. So Netflix hit, the Qs hit. They're digesting a little bit. It's still green. It's up 0.6% today. It's digesting after a big move. I think that's a big move anyway. So was TRI, Thomson Reuters, a gorgeous bounce off of 82.51. It went clear through, beautiful 25% advance. And now we need to kind of digest a little bit right here, right now. Look at that. It hit exactly 101. And today it's digesting it, but it's above the 3 and the 8 and the 21. And this is your support right here, 97.68. If you're still long this, that was a 25% advance. And this is an oversold bounce. That's it. I said for an outlier, I've got 107.60 for Thomson Reuters TRI. Right now we're having a little shake and bake. This is your intraday. We're having a shake and bake because NVIDIA is trying to sell off. There's your support. It hasn't broken for the Qs. And there's your support. It hasn't broken for NVIDIA at 190.5. We're just shake and bake. It's not a big trend change. Avgo is still trying to roll over. I like the look of that short. Netflix is still pretty strong. Look at that. Look at that puppy go. So this was the one I set up. A very strong bounce likely, especially if Warner Brothers shenanigans somehow settles. But the others, and I want to show you a few. Remember App, also set up App. It's gorgeous. These are Chase longs, big picture. These are broken stocks, but for chases, they're working, little chases. All right, so you can see App yesterday, green shoots actually Tuesday, followed day 2, Toga Party is still in play, 448 and change for App, still looks good. IGV, oh my God, it's gorgeous, right? That's where we're shopping is IGV. Perfect bounce. Remember, I still have this as low risk entry for a bounce, a chase bounce. Don't get too above your skis here. This is going to be trend reversal, but I do like the morning green shoots, as I mentioned on Tuesday, day 2 of the Toga Party. We got day 3 going on. So that's it. It's starting. It's heading up to 83. Let's see what happens after that. But this is working. And then you can go into IGV and you can have all kinds of fun here. Literally find your people. Like, what do you like to trade? How's crowd doing? Bingo. Same exact playbook. We've got a very nice oversold bounce in play. Gorgeous above that 350. It's got to get above 368.50. Look at that. It's up 3.5%. Set this up perfectly yesterday. It's going for it. These are just sharp put covering, overwrite calls. They're going right into it. So they have to cover dealers, gamma squeeze. It's just a bounce. That's it. But they can be strong. So crowd, remember that Bollinger Band expansion? It's perfect. Look at that. It's up 3.5%, screaming higher. Where's App in this? App is up 2%, respectable. Intuit and IBM, I think, are solid buys. You got 360 down here, and that is a 2020. I mean, look at that. And 2022, that is massive oversold. So I think 360, as I already mentioned, we already did this one yesterday, is a solid buy into about 424, and then let's see what happens. You got IBM, perfect. So remember this setup Tuesday, whenever it was, they dumped on news that Claude could do COBOL. It's not so easy to replace all their relationships and all of this legacy infrastructure that companies have built out around IBM. Way, Jose. Too much too soon. And then look at this thing. Popped right back up and I said 237 is your sweet spot. And oh my goodness, this was Tuesday. This was Wednesday. This is 3-day of the Toga Party. All right, so IBM looks very much bounce, clearly. Intuit bounce. Netflix, I think this is going to push into, as I already mentioned, the next price target from 82.78 into 84.66, and it's happening. This is over-owned index downside that can roast and bleed out on a spot equities rally. It is also the under-owned right tail with out-of-the-money call sellers potentially acting as buyers higher into a spot rally. Perfect. Now, what's not hopefully getting missed is the fact that semis are rolling over and money rotates to software. Exactly. This is just money flow. NVIDIA, Golden Child, sets a scene, weak sauce, Avgo, gap down, 200-day. We've been here before. We're going to go to 308 again, and then it's going to dump into 290 in time. Here's semis, Van Eck, anyway, SMH. A world of red. Qualcomm is the only one that's a little bit green. Cute. All right, and then you have IGV, and we're up 2.23%. We still have a world of hurt. AI reported, Zoom reported. But let's kind of turn this around and see what we've got. Many more players, 116. You got a lot more green than red. So the red that's coming in versus a world of green. Lots and lots and lots of bounces this morning. App, the one that I said, don't be surprised. And Crowd, Hot Fire Flames. Intuit, yeah. All right, so IGV is clearly the software rotation out of hardware.
Join Club to trade with Samantha. Scan this QR code or click the link in the description.